What if you never had to manually check your Facebook page for new posts again? Today, we're diving into how to harness the power of Zapier to automatically monitor your Facebook RSS feeds, saving you precious time and boosting your social media management. We'll set up a zap that triggers actions whenever a new post or update appears on your Facebook page. First, head over to Zapier.com and click Create Zap to begin building our automated workflow. In the Trigger section, search for and select RSS by Zapier. This tool allows us to monitor RSS feeds, and Facebook provides them for pages. Now, choose the trigger event as New Feed Item. This tells Zapier we want it to do something every time a new item appears in the feed. For the feed URL, you'll need to input the RSS feed URL for your Facebook page. A quick search online for Facebook page RSS feed URL will guide you on how to generate this for your specific page. Paste that URL into the field. Zapier will then test your feed. This step is crucial to ensure it can access your Facebook updates correctly. Make sure to click Continue once the test is successful. Next, in the Actions section, this is where you decide what happens when a new Facebook post is detected. You could choose to get a notification on Slack, add the post details to a Google Sheet for tracking, or even trigger a social media scheduler for this example. Let's imagine we're sending a notification to Slack. Search for and select your desired action app, like Slack. Choose the action event, for instance. Send channel message in Slack. Now, configure the message. You can customize what gets sent. We'll map fields from the RSS feed, like the post title and content, into our Slack message. This ensures you have all the key information at a glance. Review your Zap to ensure everything is set up correctly, and then turn it on. From this point on, every new post or update on your Facebook page will automatically trigger the action you've set, making your content tracking and social media management incredibly efficient. Happy automating.